Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz but sometimes people solve in a different way and get the wrong answer. So here we will solve this expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 3, B is 4, C is 5 and D is 7. So we have to see which answer is correct after solving it. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's move towards to recall what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS method. As you can see on the screen, we have two methods here. Basically, these two methods apply to solve any arithmetic expression. We also have some other methods, but here we are discussing only two methods. So these are different from using in different regions. So first we have to talk about the BODMAS. If you see BODMAS, so B stands for bracket. It means that if your expression contains any bracket, or if you are using the PAMDAS, you can say P for parenthesis. So you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent of power of any number. If any number has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to see the multiplication and division. You have to go left to right. You have to see like this part, division and multiplication. So what you have to do here, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out same precedence. Like division and multiplication has same precedence. So if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now let's solve the given expression. As you can see, like we have this expression. So first, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first we have to solve this part, which is 11 minus 8, which is the bracket. So first we have to solve this part, and other things we will write as it is. So we will write this one as it is, and 11 minus 8 equals to 3 minus, now 18 divided by 9 we will solve. So we will write as it is, because first we have to solve the bracket. So here first we have to solve the bracket part. So 8 equals to 3. Now move forward. We do not have any bracket right now, and we also do not have any exponent. So now we will go left to right in our expression. So we will go left to right in our expression. Now we have to see the division and multiplication. So we will go left to right, and first we have to see that we have the multiplication. So first we have to solve this part first. Minus 18 divided by 9 we will write as it is, and we will say 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now again we have to move left to right, and here we have the 4 plus 3, but we can solve if we are in a like solving in find out any MCQs based questions. So we can solve this part, but here we are following the BODMAS, so we are going step by step to solve this expression. So we have to write this part as it is, because first we have to complete all division and multiplication part. So here we have 18 divided by 9, so we will solve 2. 18 divided by 9 equals to 9 to the 18, and we will write this part here in the reference in divided by 2, and here we will highlight this. Okay, now we have to move again left to right and see this part. Like first we have the addition. We will solve this part first. 4 plus 3 equals to 7 minus 2 we will write as it is, and in the end here we have the reference 4 plus 3 equals to 7, and in the end we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So here we have 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So the answer of the given expression is 5. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very easily and get the correct result. So the answer of this expression is basically C. So I hope you got it like how you can solve given expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.